Hi, this is a little video on how to work the washing machines and the dryers. Well, first of all, put your clothes in the washing machine and spread it around evenly. Don't clump it in one place. This area here is for fabric softener only. This area here is for bleach. So powder or liquid actually goes in this area, not in here and not here. I recommend the little plastic sachets of liquid because it gives a measured dose. If you put in too much powder and too much liquid on a free pour, it can end up sticking on the clothes. So you're better off using the liquid sachets as they give a measured dose, 1 per wash. Now, the coin machine is here. It takes a €2 and a €3 wash, and it's €1 coins in at the side of the machine here. The €2 wash takes about 42 minutes and the €3 wash takes about 1 hour and 10 minutes. The quick wash, the €2 one, is fine for most clothes unless they're heavily soiled. For the €2 wash, you put it on medium. For the €3 wash, you put it on super plus. You choose your temperature. I would recommend warm for most general washes. And then this dial here you have to be careful of. You'll pick this up here. You'll see that little black piece here. So you're not lining up this, you're lining up this black piece. Quick wash is number 6. Quick wash. And the €3 super heavy is number 15. So €2, €3. And when you have your wash all loaded up, choose your temperature, pick medium or super plus, line this up here. When you're all ready to go, closing the machine, then you put your 3 €1 coins in or your 2 €1 coins and pull this out. That button, pull it out, side profile, pull it out, and it will start. The instructions are here if you want a more detailed version of all of that, but you have it now in video in 2.5 minutes. Now I'll switch over to the dryer. Here we are, €1 for 15 minutes. I would always start with this dial here on heavy, and then you choose your temperature. Generally speaking, if you're doing jeans and sheets and stuff, you put it on hot, but that's up to you. And it's push to start, whereas the washing machine is pull. This is push to start. And when you load your machines in here, it's always good to clean out the filter on that before and after you use it, preferably. So you have 2 dryers, 2 wash machines, and this is in the 176 laundry room, but your blue key will open up the wash machines and dryers. There's my office, the wash machines and dryers that are over this way at the back. Grassback Gardens, there's another, same key, same machines. There's another washing room, same key, same machines. Of course, there's another washing machine and dryer at the back of 178 as well, which I might as well walk with you and show you where it is. Will I sing on the way? La 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 la. Now, there's the back of 177. And there's the back of 178. There's a little walkway here. And that single story shed here is more washing machines and dryers. And you get in through this door. And when you go in that door, just go left. It's in there. 4 more machines. Alright, take care.